Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change table color on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open up any document. You can see in my document a table is already created. If you want to change this table color, at first you have to select here all the table and then click on table design tab. After that, at the corner you can see table style option, then just click on this arrow icon and that's it. Now here you can see so many table colors and you can choose any colors as you like. You can also find here 3 categories: light, medium and dark, and you can choose any category color as you like. If I select this orange color from dark categories, you have to just click here and it's done. You can see table color has been changed successfully. Also, if you click here again and then select the color from medium categories and it's done. You can see the table color has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change table color on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.